If you've been thinking about trying a vegan lifestyle but feel like it might be too expensive or complicated, this might be exactly what you need. The ebook Beginner Vegan Cookbook, with budget-friendly recipes, is built around a simple and practical idea. Eating plant-based doesn't have to cost a lot or be difficult to follow. Instead of fancy ingredients or complex recipes, this guide focuses on affordable, everyday foods you can easily find. That makes it much easier to get started without feeling overwhelmed or spending too much. Inside, you'll find simple recipes designed especially for beginners, meals that are quick to prepare, easy to understand, and realistic for daily life. Many beginner-friendly vegan cookbooks follow this same approach, combining simplicity with cost-effective ingredients to make the transition smoother. What makes this especially helpful is the budget focus. You're not just learning how to cook vegan meals, you're learning how to do it in a smart, efficient way that fits your lifestyle. It also helps remove a common barrier. A lot of people think going vegan is expensive, but with the right approach, it can actually be very accessible. Another advantage is consistency. When meals are simple and affordable, it becomes much easier to stick with your new habits long term. And since it's a digital download, you can access it instantly and start exploring the recipes right away at your own pace. If you want a simple, beginner-friendly, and budget-conscious way to start eating plant-based, this is definitely worth checking out. You'll find Beginner Vegan Cookbook with budget-friendly recipes in the description. Take a look and see if it fits your lifestyle.